Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fionita Zahara Agung. I'm from class 11 Science 8, number absent 34. Here, I will convey the meaning of analytical exposition, structure of analytical exposition, stages of analytical exposition, and example of analytical exposition. First, what is analytical exposition? Analytical exposition text is a text that contains the author's thoughts about things that are happening around him. Analytical exposition of the text included in argument that because it shows an opinion against something. The function of the analytical exposition is to convince the readers that the topics raised are important things that can be debated or discussed together. The purpose of an analytical exposition to provide a comprehensive overview of a problem by presenting facts and argument. The second is analytical exposition structure. The structure of the analytical exposition is thesis, argument, and reorientation. Thesis discusses the topic of the problem. Arguments are the opinions expressed by the author that support the thesis, while reorientation is the part where the author reorients the thesis statement as at the beginning or is the conclusion of the opinion he wrote. And the third is the stage of making analytical exposition. To make an analytical exposition text, you first have to determine the topics to be discussed. This topic can be searched from the circumstances around you or the topics being discussed. The second, namely having to decide where you want to stand in terms of pros or cons. Third, you make an argument to persuade your audience or reader to follow your point of view. And don't forget to support your argument with relevant facts or information. Fourth, combine your arguments into coherent paragraphs so that readers can easily understand your text. 5. And finally, summarize your argument into one outline and conclude why the audience or reader should follow your point of view. And the fourth example of analytical exposition. That's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.